X, you mean to tell me you've been here the whole time?
I thought we used you to multiply 4 and 0.
Actually, when you multiplied them, I ran away because I got scared. I've been hiding ever since, but you found me.
Okay, well, I'm really tired of this whole hosting thing. Here you go. You've done this before. You'll do great. Bye.
I just got a regular cake this time. Is that okay?
Sounds good!
At 9,028 votes, Stapy is eliminated! Puffball is safe with...
Wait, is X saying the votes backwards?
I think so!
Well, I guess that means I'm eliminated.
I just wish Foldy was here so I could say goodbye. Puffball, can you make sure Foldy and Belle get their cakes?
Okay, dokey.
Peace!
Eraser and Foldy! Eraser got 1,151 votes, so he's safe. Foldy got 1,114 votes, so she's also safe. Wait, did I mess up? Oh no!
Reading the votes backwards? Best April Fool's prank ever.
Oh, actually, it was an accident.
That's okay, Eggs. Everyone makes mistakes.
Hey, save some for me. Thank you.
Today's challenge is... Basketball! Basketball!
Yeah, X?
Not you! 1 second. Here's the challenge! Basketball! Last team to finish loses! Go!
What do we do?
Oh, right! Throw balls into your team basket to weigh it down. When it touches the buzzer, you're safe! Last team to do it loses.
Oh, okay.
Go! Huh? Already?
You said use balls to lower the basket. So I did.
Well, I guess so. A better name than that is safe.
Really?
If only there was someone on our team who specialized in throwing.
Here, let me try.
Ha! Hey! Stop breaking my window, Goiny!
Maybe we should just give up.
David, you have to throw! You and Woody are the only ones with arms!
Oh, seriously?
Marker, please toss the balls!
Okay.
Free food is safe.
Oh, Marker, you can stop!
Guys, why don't we use Balmy to throw balls into the basket?
Sure.
Hey, he's taking a step in the right direction.
Science is... Hey!
Yeah.
Nothing! You're safe, you're safe!
Guys, there's an easy solution you're all missing.
Black hole! Yeah!
Fantastic.
Oh wow! Team Ice Cube, the losers, and Team are all safe! Now, Deathbacks and Beep are left!
Come on, Woody! You have to throw that ball so we can win! You can do it! Woody, I believe in you!
Well, it's clear to me now that we can't rely on Tree to do anything. Guess we gotta do everything ourselves!
We're about to lose.
Woody, please!
Deathback is safe!
Wait, we were supposed to throw more than one ball?
Pay more attention next time!
You were kind of hard to follow.
X?
Oh, Vote in the comments using the letter and square brackets under who you think deserves to be eliminated. Whoever gets the most votes will leave the show. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Good job today.